Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn Hangeul with Angelie. For today's video, I will teach you how to form or how to make Korean sentence using this basic ending Korean words, ayeyo and yeyo.
Moshi moshi.
In English word, we usually use is, are, but in Korean, ayeyo and yeyo express the same meaning of is, are in English. For example, 책이에요, 책이에요. Coffee, 커피예요, 커피예요. Now, question: what is the difference between ayeyo and yeyo? Their meaning are both the same, but when we use ayeyo and yeyo, it depends on the noun. If the noun ends with consonant, we attach ayeyo. If the noun ends with vowels, we attach ayeyo. For example, this book, 책, it ends with consonant k, so we attach ayeyo. Coffee, coffee ends with e, vowel, so we attach yeyo. Coffee예요. Now, how to make question. In English, we change the word order, but in Korean, we just raise the intonation. For example, in English, is it a book? But in Korean, 책이에요, 책이에요. Just raise the intonation. Now, how to say what's this in Korean? 뭐예요? 뭐예요? For example, I ask a question, what's this? 뭐예요? You will answer, 책이에요, 책이에요. This one, 뭐예요? 커피예요, 커피예요. Alright, that's for today's video. Just comment down your favorite things using ayeyo and yeyo. But before I end this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. Annyeong!